Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and simple cold brew with a sweet cream cold foam on top. So let's get started. So in a glass, you're going to want to add a little bit of ice. Then you'll take your Bizzy. You can use any of our blends. I'm using our espresso blend today. And you're going to add it to your glass. You'll want to fill it up almost to the top. Next up, you're going to add 1/4 cup of cream in a glass. You can use half and half milk, really anything that you like. I'm using just regular half and half in this glass today. And then you're going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of some kind of sweetener if you want to make it a little sweet. You can use simple syrup. I'm using an organic maple syrup today. Add it in. After you add it, you're going to want to take a frother. I'm using this little tool right here. You could also put this in a mason jar with a lid and shake it up really good and kind of get the same consistency. So let's give it a mix. We'll add it like this. And you have a delicious little treat.